Hey traders, I finally found the best trading strategy for gold. So gold traders, stick around at the end of this video so that you get something from this video. So now this one, it will be a pure price action. No fancy indicators, just pure price action, okay? Now we want to see how can we reverse a trend? How can we trade market structure shift, right? So now you can see here. So you can see that the market, it was actually creating some highs. Now this is a high, you can see that is a high. So now we are expecting either the market to come and break that high or to come and break this low. So now when the market comes and breaks this low, we shall have gotten a market structure shift. But when the market goes and breaks the high, we shall say, okay, it is a higher high being created, right? So let's see here. So now for this case, you can now see that the market came all around and it has broken our low. And when the market breaks our low, it means that we have created a market structure shift, right? Now we are bullish, now we are going to go bearish, okay? Because a market structure shift has been created. Now here, you will see that this was a high, right? This was a high right there, okay? This was a high, yes. But now it has created a higher low, a lower high. It is right here. Now we are saying this is a lower high. Now we want a lower low, right? It means that we shall get some confirmations from here, okay? We shall use order blocks and fair value gaps. And you have your order block right here. So the market can come back to any order block or it can come back to any fair value gap, right? So now you can wait for the market right there, okay? And also we have this zone right here. So now we are waiting for the market to come back to any zone of our choice, right? Okay. So now you can see right here. You can see that when the market came to our first zone right here, are you seeing this first zone, right? When the market came to your first zone, okay, it actually created very many confirmations. One was a doji candle, okay? So which is a very good confirmation for you traders. The confirmation, you just enter immediately right there. And remember here, we just, you have to put your stop loss just above, okay? And your TP has to be on this low, okay? After that. So now you'll see that the market has now created another low right here. You can see that it was creating some bearish signs. You can see the bearish signs that it created, okay? It created a doji candle and it created another bearish candle, okay? Indicating to you that it is a very good zone for you to enter from, all right? Now this is the doji candle, okay? This doji candle was really very good. Then remember the TP is always here on this low and our stop loss is above this high, okay? So now let's see whether the market actually paid off.